Hey friends, I am putting together another rosary DIY hand-knotted rosary making kit, and I thought that I would bring you along to show you the kinds of things that I'm going to be putting into it. So I'm going to be working with green Aventurine beads. The beads themselves are green Aventurine, and the Our Father beads are going to be this green Aventurine in this lovely shape. And they are 7 millimeters by 12 millimeters. The Our Father beads and the green Aventurine beads for the Hail Marys are 8 millimeters, as most of my rosaries are. And so we're just going to line them all up. This is what I do. I lay them all out, and then I count them and recount them to make sure that I have all the beads that you need to make your rosary. So of course we'll have 3 put aside for the 3 Hail Marys and the 2 Our Fathers that go at the bottom of the rosary after the other decades are put on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. To count that wrong. 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's pull these down. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here it is. It's in there. 10. Okay, so we have all of our decades now. We have the 5 decades. And in between each decade, of course, is going to be an Our Father bead. And I chose the green Aventurine and these spacer beads, which are optional, but I thought they went very well with the rosary crucifix, the rosary centerpiece. And I'll show you very quickly what they'll look like out of curiosity. And I'm working here with red thread, so this is not the cord that you will get, not this color, but at least you'll be able to see it quite well here. There's that. And then you will have this one. And that's the way they will look in your rosary. There we go. And so we've got 12 of those, because we will have the Our Father bead in between each of the decades of the rosary. So we'll have a decade Our Father bead, a decade Our Father bead, a decade Our Father bead, decade Our Father bead, decade, and then of course the rosary will then come down into an Our Father bead, 3 Hail Marys, and another Our Father bead, and then these will be the spacer beads. It's a little hard to sit them on here for you to see it properly, but you get the idea. And then the crucifix that I've chosen is a silver oxidized, made in Italy, sunburst crucifix and the Holy Family Center that says pray for us on the reverse.